The 9033 M-9 Mini Polisher is another addition to Hartsett's new range of mini tools, a compact and wieldy tool that's a mere 141mm long. Like the other mini tools, the new Mini Polisher integrates a high-quality multi-bearing gearbox with a far longer service life than comparable gearboxes. The 5-blade design guarantees that this tool provides more power than comparable competing products. This Mini Polisher is compatible with 50mm components, allowing it to be adapted to many different tasks. Hartsett offers a range of suitable accessories such as sanding and polishing pads. The Mini Polisher is specially designed for spot repair and is ideally suited to work on hard-to-reach areas. Another task the Mini Polisher handles with ease is refurbishing lights.